Hello students, welcome to video class of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of finding radius of curvature for the curve whose intrinsic equation is S is equal to A into log of tan of pi by 4 plus psi by 2. So in this case, we can observe the given equation S is equal to, okay, so here we can see here S and psi are involved, therefore this is called as intrinsic equation. When this is the curve, then may I know what is the radius of curvature for this? Where the intrinsic equation is involved, there radius of curvature rho is nothing but ds by dxi. Means this intrinsic equation has to be differentiated with respect to psi, so that itself will be radius of curvature. Fine. So what to do then? Let us consider the given curve S, which is equal to A into log of tan of pi by 4 plus psi by 2. Okay. Now this has to be differentiated with respect to psi. Then differentiating it with respect to psi, what happens? D psi by ds by d psi is equal to, okay, A is common. Then differentiation of log of this whole thing is nothing but 1 divided by tan of pi by 4 plus psi by 2. Fine. Then differentiation of tan is sec square pi by 4 plus psi by 2. Then differentiation of this bracket will be what? 0 plus psi by 2. Means 0 plus differentiating this with respect to psi is 1 divided by 2. Therefore, ds by dxi is equal to A divided by 2. This 1 by 2 is taken out. Then it becomes, I'll be taking 1 by tan as cot pi by 4 plus psi by 2 into sec square. This sec can be taken as 1 divided by cos square pi by 4 plus psi by 2. Fine. Then ds by dxi is equal to A divided by 2 into, how do you write cot? Cot is nothing but cos by sine. Therefore, cos of pi by 4 plus psi by 2 divided by sine of pi by 4 plus psi by 2. That into 1 divided by cos square pi by 4 plus psi by 2. So it get cancelled. Therefore, ds by dxi is equal to A divided by 2 into, here cos get cancelled, then it becomes 1 divided by sine of pi by 4 plus psi by 2 into cos of pi by 4 plus psi by 2. Therefore, which is further equal to ds by dxi is equal to, we know that A divided by, we know that 2 times sine x into cos x is nothing but sine 2x. Therefore, this becomes sine of 2 times of pi by 4 plus psi by 2, which is nothing but A divided by sine of 2 into this. So pi by 4 into 2, that is pi by 2, plus psi by 2 into 2, that is psi. Fine. Therefore, ds by d psi is equal to what? A divided by sine 90 degree, sine 90 plus means second quadrant. Sine becomes cos psi. Then positive or negative? Positive. Because second quadrant sine is positive. Therefore, this is equal to A into what is 1 by cos? Sec psi. Therefore, the radius of curvature for the given curve is radius of curvature rho is equal to A into sec psi. So this is the important result for the given